Okay, welcome to this tutorial. So I want to show you how you can edit or design a good graphics for promotion for your affiliate marketing now using your Canva. But for if you haven't gotten Canva on your phone, you need to go to Play Store or Apple Store to download the application. So you have successfully downloaded the application. So this is how the interface will look like. For instance, if you want to write or make graphics for yourself or for to promote a particular service, maybe you want to make a flyer for the affiliate marketing, or you have a free online webinar that you want to show people. So this is what you need to do. Just on the search button here, so you just need to search for digital marketing. So to bring out some templates that you can work with, some cool templates that you can work with, and it will save your time and save your energy. So like now we have different kind of templates, and they are cool templates. All the templates here are premium templates and they are cool. So I'll give you access to the premium account. So just DM me or message me for the premium account, so I'll give you access to that. So you can choose any one of your choice depending on what you want to do. So now, since we are designing a flyer, so I think I like this, simple and cool. So the only thing I need to do is just change the image. Okay, let me go back. So if you want to change this particular image here, so what you need to do is just click on it, and after you've clicked on it, you need to click on replace here. So if you click on replace, it will take you to your picture gallery. But if you have some images uploaded already, you can click on upload here. So once you click on upload, these are some of the, so you can choose the particular image you want to use. Let me use this and see. So now the picture is slant. So now if I want to edit this picture now and make it straight, all I need to do is to double tap this, so it will show me, take me inside, and then I'll click on this this particular arrow. Let me use the word arrow, then adjust it and make it straight. So now it is straight. Okay, so I can click on done. So it's okay now. So you need to use a picture that shows your face boldly. Yeah, you need to use a picture that shows your face boldly for your flyers. So now, digital marketing agency, I can write something else or anything at all. So let me just leave it this way. Let me just change this to something else. So you can add Nigeria or any country code, +234 70 90 1362, can change the website to Android. So you can adjust, and okay, I think you can leave it this way. So the next thing is to download it by clicking here, or exporting. Let me use the word export by clicking here. Then you click, so you just have to wait for it to show here that you can download. Alright, so you can now click on download, and it will save on your mobile phone. So that is how to design a fast and quality graphics or flyers for your marketing. So that is how to design good and quality flyers for your marketing. So alright, thank you for watching this video. See you on the next video.